Are you tired of waking up multiple times at night just to use the bathroom? It felt like my sleep was gone and my energy with it. For months, I was up every night, weak stream, never feeling empty. I was exhausted. Days were rough, no energy, short temper, and I thought this was just my new normal. I tried a few things with little luck. Then I stumbled across ProstaVive Powerhouse. It wasn't flashy, it's just a natural supplement that promised to help prostate health and energy. ProstaVive Powerhouse is a natural powdered supplement made to support prostate function, urinary flow, and energy. It combines botanicals and minerals like beta-sitosterol, nettle, zinc, and vitamin D. Ingredients with clinical backing. Made in the USA and GMP facilities, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. Here are the main things I noticed. Nothing exaggerated, just real changes. Supports healthy prostate function, less swelling, and better comfort. Reduced frequent bathroom trips. I started sleeping through most nights. A noticeable boost to my energy and vitality during the day. And overall confidence, not feeling held back by constant bathroom runs. Thousands of men have shared positive feedback. Less urgency, better sleep, stronger flow. It's growing in popularity and backed by third-party testing and GMP manufacturing. How I used it: 1 scoop mixed in water or a drink each morning. Easy to take, no stimulants. Felt gentle and natural. Within a few weeks, I noticed better days, more focus and stamina, and nights were quieter. I stopped waking up every hour. A few users report mild digestive changes early on. Nothing serious, but be aware. It also helped my confidence, feeling like myself again around family. Small daily habits add up. This was one that actually moved the needle for me. Dosage: 1 scoop daily. Some report results in 4 to 6 weeks. Individual results vary. Made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility and batch-tested for purity. Key ingredients target inflammation, circulation, and hormonal balance. People report better flow, less urgency, and improved sexual health, quality of life gains. If you have medical conditions, check with your doctor. That's important. It's available on the official site with a generous money-back guarantee. If you're serious about supporting your prostate health and reclaiming your energy, try ProstaVive. Powerhouse today. Link is in the description. Don't wait. Your health matters.